see on 1.8, miks teil nii alarallile maksimum? Aga siit läbi, et teisele korrusele on.
Kui Amazonis sa leiad oma niši, oma alusa koha, kus toimetama hakata, siis õige pea leiad sa ennast globaalse turuliidri positsioonist.
Müüme 7 marketplace'is, igas marketplace'is umbes 10 toodet.
First thing I want to say is, I've been selling Amazon a long time, done a lot of stuff. I've had some incredible successes. I've had some spectacular failures.
Injury, you put that around your knee from nothing, a brand, and possibly sell it for $1 million, even tens of millions.